crying out. I won't. You're making life miserable for the rest of us.
Am I really making everybody else's life miserable?
Mm-hmm.
If two sets, A and B, of speaker systems are to be used simultaneously, each speaker system must have a normal impedance of 8 ohms or more, or... Ow!
Do you have to do that now?
Yeah, well, if I'm going back to work, I won't have time to do any of this stuff.
Well, why don't you just wait till tomorrow?
I'm almost done. Use caution, connect the speaker system.
I have a present for you.
What is it?
Well, open it.
Box. Your savings account.
It's the down payment on Shea Richard.
I thought you didn't like the restaurant idea.
Well, I just didn't want you to go through another disappointment, that's all. But if you really think you can make it work...
You don't trust me this much.
Surprise. I do.
Who is that girl?
A singer, I heard. She's pretty good. Cute, too. Oh, whoa.
Lying beside you, here